Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an acceptance letter. What is acceptance letter in company? A job offer acceptance letter is one you write to confirm your acceptance of a job offer. After you successfully clear the selection process for a job, your new employer would send you an offer letter outlining the terms and conditions of your employment, including your job title, salary and joining date. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an acceptance letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write your personal information. Here, you must write your full name. And under it, write your home address. When you write the home address, you should mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. You can put this information as a header of the letter or just write it on the left side like what is shown in the video. And then, write the date of the letter. Here, you can use the format of month, date, and year. After that, write the full name of the recipient. Under it, write the title or job position or occupation in the company. In this example, the letter is addressed to the Senior Vice President. And then, write the company name. Under it, write the address of the company. Of course, it is important to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And now, you can start the letter with salutation like Dear Mr., or Mrs., or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, write the reason why you are writing this letter. Here, you can say that you want to confirm your acceptance of the recipient's job offer. And you should mention when the recipient offered you the job, like mention the date of the letter. After that, show your excitement about you joining the company. Of course, you must mention the company name here. And show your confidence that you will do your best. You can write that you are confident to make a significant contribution to the company. And of course, show your gratitude about this opportunity given to you. I believe the first paragraph is easy to follow. In the second paragraph, you can mention the details about your schedule for the job. This is a must for confirmation just in case they made mistake when mentioning the time or so on. So, write what time you have to be at the office. And write what date it is. You can mention the day, month, date, and year. Don't forget to mention the job position that you accepted. In this case as administrative assistant. Besides, you must also mention the starting salary, and mention the amount of money. It shows that you agree to accept the amount of the salary and refuse to negotiate to increase. And the last paragraph, thank the recipient for the opportunity given to you. You should really express it here. And show your excitement to start working and staying in the company for a long and productive career in the company. Bring all the positive vibe in this letter. Finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature. And write your full name under it. So, that's how you write an acceptance letter step by step. I hope you love your new workplace and the people. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.